guys, welcome back to my channel. Or hi if you're new. Today is we're starting the second vlog of the rat house. If you missed the first one, go check it out. I got new glasses, got back from a concert last night. We're a little tired, but we're gonna go in and start talking about what we're doing today. Like my fit, it's a pink shirt and jeans. I think it's cute. Barbie movie, can't wait to watch it. Got anything to say? You look really tired, girl. I am. Okay, well, let's go. So for this video, we really didn't have a plan. We just kind of went with the flow of what was happening, but we focused on pulling out this old knob and tube wire and the rest of the old wire, shopping, and making plans for what's next. So we're measuring the windows, right? And then upstairs, there's no insulation. So we might be taking the drywall off from in here anyway. Because the people who were RestoreCore, the people who like demoed all of it, they said that this wasn't really damaged, so we were leaving it. But if we're rewiring it anyway and there's no insulation, it would make more sense to just rip it out. So that's the discussion. So we just picked up electrical stuff from Home Depot and we're headed back. We wanted to get the stuff today because there was a discount or like a coupon or whatever. So we got all the wire and electrical boxes and I think my phone turned off halfway through, so I don't know how much it caught me saying, but we got stuff at Home Depot because we had a coupon that expired today and we wanted to use it. So we got wire, boxes, nuts, staples, wire stuff that we'll need, electrical. Just got back and we're gonna pull out the old knob and tube and yeah. So this is what holds up knob and tube. It is porcelain and it's insulation, and so the nail is the knob and this is the tube. And they break really easily. They're porcelain. We got most of the electrical out. The bathroom has the most left because it's the newer stuff. But we gotta go home because we have people coming over for lunch. So we're gonna go eat now. But we got most of it out, so like, and it's honestly kind of fun pulling it all out. So yeah, that's it for today. Hello everybody. Today is day 2 of electrical rip out at Rat House. This morning we went and picked up 3/4 white PEX and 2 copper to PEX couplings that we'll need for the plumbing when we get there. But today we have a lot of things going on and we have a meeting that's pretty close to this house, so we're just gonna rip out the rest of the wire, just Peyton and I, and then go to our meetings. It's really hot, so we can only do like a little bit of work at a time anyway, so this is great because we already have stuff to do and we'll just do like a little bit. Also, I love my fit today. I'll have to show you guys. It's a pretty cool fit. You're gonna want to see it. Check out my shoes. They're indestructible shoes. They sent them to me for free if I make a video, so check out Instagram for that video. I'm gonna be honest, there was a lot more wire here than I expected to be left in the basement, and Peyton and I tried our best to get out what we could in the little time that we had, and there was only one step ladder and the staples were hard to get out of this old wood, needless to say, it took more than this one day to get the wire out. Jason, our contractor, came out and finished it, so I don't have video of that, but yeah, that's basically gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's basically just pulling out a bunch of wire. Again, I did not make a closing or an ending for this video, so I have a couple more clips, but then we're just gonna jump right into the outro. See you in the next video. This rat house is super fun to be working on. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it too. I'm sweating. I wanted to show you guys my little friend. What should we name him? She's not into it. Oh my god! Don't! Okay, I'm sorry. That's what we got out right now. But we gotta go, so, yep. There's honestly a lot more wire here than I thought it was gonna be in the basement. So this is not the last day of wiring. Well, pulling the wire. But I mean, that's pretty good for the two of us for only, what, like an hour? Yeah. Now I'm gonna take an Instagram picture and we gotta go to our meetings.